Today I want to test how much better automatic toothbrush is than a manual toothbrush. To help us, we're going to use disclosing tablets to see the difference. Here we go. It looks like that manual toothbrush actually did pretty good, but it really didn't get in between the teeth. So let's try out the Thrive toothbrush. It's pretty clear to tell that the Thrive electric toothbrush is so much better than the manual toothbrush. What it did miss was right in between the teeth, so if you're gonna brush, you gotta make sure you floss also at the same time. But what the moral of the story is always get an electric toothbrush. It is so much better than a manual toothbrush.